This is Elsie. Just keep those oars out of the water, guys, when you're using the motor, haven't you?
I heard that! I heard that!
Port side, Saul.
Port side!
Okay, Ned, you have to get the rope through here.
Yep.
And wrap it around there at least once, and then the figures the ropes.
I heard, even though you were splashing in the water, I still heard you. And even though you were talking very far away, I still heard you. Yeah? That was cool. If there's a road, I'm feeling. If there's a road. Ned. Grab it.
Wrap it around, Ned. Pull up a bit more tail, that's it. Beautiful. Figure of 8.
So can you do this little right? I'll be holding. Can you do Are we going fishing yet?
I've been fishing.
Yeah, I have. What? Did you catch I haven't.
There's a line set up.
You want to go it? Yeah. Okay.
I'll try crab.
I had a big, what?
I'll try crab bait.
Yeah.
Where's that noodle? Where's that noodle?
Billy, what are you going to do?